Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we put the integration for the both sides. So this one, we have first derivative of the function. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. The integration of number 12, we have 12s, and I will put about c. Now we have the condition in here. When I put number 7 gone here, we put number 7 gone here, and we have 359 over there. So we can find the value of c. Now I will put this one go to the left. And now we find the value of c equals to negative 166. And now I will put this one going here. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. This one you got about y. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3 minus number 12s squared over 2 and negative 166s, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions in here. That means when I put about s equal to number 6, y will be 449. So we can find the value of c in here. Now I will find the value of c. So I will put about this number go to the left, and we got the final answer. We have 1013, and now we go back in here. So we put 1013, and now they want to find the value of y number 3. So I will just put number 3 going here, here, and here, and we have the final answer. And this one we have 542, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.